Hi everyone, so we've got another GR Yaris in today for a mapping session using the Ecutek software. So this car's got a few mods on it already. It's got a MST intake, Mongoose exhaust, and we've just fitted an Airtec intercooler and big pipe boost kit. So what I'll do is I'll do a power run as the car is without the map on it, and then we'll do a custom map on our dyno using the Ecutek to see what power gains we can get. Also, as you can see, it's got a few nice styling mods on this car. It's got the TRD front splitter here, TRD side skirts as well, carbon mirror covers. All I can see it's green. It's had a full wrap. Not sure who done it. I don't know which colour it is, but it does look really, really good. Nice to see a different colour. It's also got a rear spoiler as well. Not sure what brand that is. But yeah, doesn't it look good? Okay, that's the first power run done on the standard map as it arrived, and it's making 221 wheel horsepower, which equates to around 269 horsepower at the crank. It's making just above standard power at the moment. So that's with the MST intake kit fitted, the Mongoose exhaust. So the GPF is still on the car, the cat's still on the car. Yeah, so it's making just a tad more than standard. So what we'll do now, we'll get the Ecutek software loaded onto the ECU and start doing our custom tune. So that's the mapping finished on this Yaris. So it's made some nice gains. It's gone from 221 wheel horsepower to 246 wheel horsepower. So that's about 300 horsepower. These love the GPF being removed. They gain about 20-30 horsepower. So that's holding this car back. So next step for this car would be to remove the GPF. And we've also installed the roll anti-lag and the flat foot shifting as well. So that's an extra feature that the Ecutek has, which customers really like, which I will show you next in the video. If you like your GR Yaris tuned or maintained, please get in touch. Thanks.